In this video, we have a 2004 to 2008 Nissan Maxima. We're going to go over the top DIY repairs that you can do to save money. First, we're going to start with the headlights. If you have one of these and it's the age of this vehicle, they're going to be foggy. You want to replace those. It's not that hard to do. For this model, you actually take the bumper off, and that sounds intimidating, but it's not that bad. And we have videos to show you how to do it. This is what the old ones looked like. Look how much better it looks with the new headlights. Next, let's talk about the brakes. You got to be able to stop. You want to keep your car safe, and it's going to cost you hundreds of dollars to have someone else do it. Well, it's not that hard to do yourself. You just remove the caliper. There's a couple bolts on the back, a couple bolts for the bracket. Take that off. Take the rotor off, put the new one on, a couple other little things, but it's fairly easy. And if you can do the front brakes, you can do the rear brakes. There's just a couple minor differences. You have the parking brake assembly that's in the middle there, but overall, they're easy too. Now let's talk about struts and shocks. You want good struts and shocks because otherwise you're gonna wear your tires out or the car's gonna bounce down the road, and it could be a safety issue as well. To do the struts, they're pretty easy. You support the lower control arm, take the lower bolts out, take a couple other things off, and then under the hood, there's a couple nuts holding everything on. Take the old one out, put the new one in, bring your car to have it aligned, and you're good to go. Now you can always replace just the front strut or the front springs separately, but it's much easier when you do it as an assembly. Just take the old assembly out, put the new one in, nice and easy. So those are some tips for you that you can save tons of money working on your Nissan Maxima. If you enjoyed this video or it helped you out, make sure to subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.